They call it the miracle in a bottle. Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair has been one of the best-selling serums for decades, promising smoother, younger, radiant skin overnight. But in 2026, with so many high-tech serums on the market claiming the same, is this cult classic still worth your money? Or has it finally been outshined by newer, cheaper alternatives? I've tested hundreds of skincare products over the years, from drugstore favorites to luxury serums that cost as much as rent. I focus on results, ingredient integrity, and real-world performance. For this review, I used Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair for 6 weeks, applying it nightly on clean skin before moisturizer. I monitored hydration, fine lines, and overall texture, comparing it with other high-end serums in the same price range. Estée Lauder's marketing centers around 3 main claims: youthful skin renewal overnight. The formula supposedly accelerates skin repair while you sleep. Hydration and radiance boost. Hyaluronic acid and probiotics promise deep, long-lasting moisture. Anti-aging protection. The Chronolux Power Signal technology is said to fight visible signs of aging caused by stress, pollution, and lack of sleep. These claims sound impressive. But how does it perform beyond the glossy branding? Texture and application. The serum has a lightweight, silky consistency that absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky finish. It layers well under any moisturizer or night cream, which makes it versatile. A few drops go a long way, and the dropper ensures precise application, something many luxury brands still struggle with. Scent and feel. There's a subtle, clean fragrance that fades quickly. For most users, it's pleasant, but those with very sensitive skin might prefer fragrance-free options. It feels hydrating instantly, leaving skin plump and smooth after application. Ingredients and performance. The key technology here is Estée Lauder's Chronolux Power Signal, a patented complex designed to support skin's natural repair rhythm. Combined with antioxidants and hyaluronic acid, it genuinely improves hydration and softness within the first week. After 4 to 6 weeks, fine lines appeared slightly diminished and the overall texture more refined, especially when paired with consistent skincare habits like exfoliation and SPF during the day. However, this serum isn't a miracle cure. It doesn't erase deep wrinkles or transform skin overnight. The results are subtle but noticeable, more about radiance and health than drastic anti-aging reversal. Suitability and skin types. It performs best for normal to dry skin. Oily skin types can still use it, but might prefer lighter hydration. Sensitive skin tolerated it well in most tests, thanks to the alcohol-free formula. Value for money. At around 8,100 tons for 50 ml, it sits in the luxury category. You're paying for brand heritage, research, and a proven track record. While more affordable serums now offer similar hydration benefits, few match its long-term consistency and skin barrier support. So does Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair really work in 2026? Yes, but with realistic expectations. If you're looking for instant miracles or wrinkle-erasing magic, you'll be disappointed. But if you want a reliable, dermatologist-tested serum that improves hydration, glow, and overall resilience over time, this product still earns its legendary status. It's not revolutionary anymore, but it's dependable. It's a serum that quietly does the work night after night without irritation or heavy residue. For newcomers to luxury skincare, it's a solid introduction. For long-time fans, it remains a trusted companion that continues to deliver. In short, Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair isn't hype, it's heritage. It proves that in skincare, consistency often outlasts trends.